All right, welcome back. And now let's look at rule number 2, which is integrals involving log functions. So these are formulas that you're going to want to memorize for evaluating integrals with log functions. So now, the first two involve natural log. So this is 1 over x. Okay, so x to the negative 1 is the same as 1 over x. So always remember, the integral of 1 over x, we don't use the power rule. Power rule does not work here. The integral of 1 over x is the natural log of the absolute value of x. So don't forget the absolute value sign. Now, you may drop the absolute value sign in certain circumstances, but that's only when you know that x is positive or there's a constant in there. So the natural log of x plus c. So that's one rule, that's one formula. The second one is, what if you're integrating the natural log of x? Now, in Calc 2, you're going to learn a technique, another technique of integration that would allow you to derive this integral. But right now, you can't do that with the tools that we have. So you have to memorize this. The integral of the natural log of x dx is equal to x times dx minus x plus c. Or you can factor out the x and write it as x times the natural log of x minus 1 plus c. And then the last formula is the general formula for any base log. Okay? So this is log base e, but we can apply this more general case where the only difference is we're dividing by the natural log of a. In this case, this is a specific case because we're dealing with the natural log, the natural log. So the natural log here, log base e, but here it's the natural log of e, which is 1. So this formula, in the case of the natural log, reduces to this. So again, this is the more general formula when dealing with logs of any base. Okay? The only difference is you're going to be divided by the natural log of a. All right? Let's do some examples.